Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to iron thin fabric. First, ensure your ironing board is clean and smooth, providing a perfect surface. Always check the care label on your garment for the recommended temperature setting. This is crucial for delicate fabrics. Finally, use a pressing cloth between the iron and your fabric to prevent scorching and shine, especially on darker colors. This simple step can save your favorite items. When you begin ironing, always work on the reverse side of the fabric. This helps prevent any unwanted shine or marks on the visible surface. Set your iron to a low to medium heat, typically around 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, to protect the delicate fibers. Keep the iron moving constantly across the fabric. Never let it sit in one spot, as this can easily lead to scorching or damage. To effectively remove wrinkles, gently stretch the fabric as you iron, guiding the creases out smoothly. For particularly stubborn wrinkles, use steam sparingly or lightly mist the area with a spray bottle before ironing. Be careful not to overwet the fabric. Once ironed, immediately hang the garment on a hanger. This allows it to cool completely and helps the fabric set, maintaining its crisp, smooth finish. After ironing, it's important to let the fabric cool down entirely before you wear or fold it. This prevents new wrinkles from forming and helps the fabric retain its shape. Store your delicate items carefully, perhaps on padded hangers or folded neatly in drawers, to keep them looking their best. And speaking of staying fresh, check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always a good idea, just like keeping your clothes perfectly pressed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.